Hello everyone, this is Kunal here and I'm super excited to talk about my project which I did for this hackathon, which is Sia-RED. So let me ask you everyone, how many of you had real trouble in setting up your Sia environment and making those APIs available if you want it? So that is what one of the key pain I went through, and I really wanted to make something user friendly and anybody can set up without any programming knowledge. And for that I found out Node-RED is one of the best platform tool available. Mostly people in IoT space are using that, but I truly believe anybody can use it, and you can really leverage that to expose your Sia APIs. And my goal is to make it more flexible and usable so that people can really build a platform or whatever they want to build on top of Sia. So without wasting much time in setting up their APIs, they can really focus on core functionality. So without further ado, let's get started what I have here. So if we look at Sia documentation, so usually when you want to look into, for example, you want to get wallet detail, so this is what you do. You run your Sia daemon and you run this command. So usually what we do is you just open your terminal and you just paste your command, and there you go, you get the detail about your wallet. So literally if you want to do any API call, you have to do this and get the detail of your wherever is your Sia daemon is running. First thing is you have to remember all these URLs and then all these APIs. And if you want to expose this as a REST endpoint, you have to build something on top of that. So I have really cool project which I built on top of Node-RED. I'm going to show you how it works. So for example, this is my node. You just need to go and install this node. So I have already installed that node. If you want to know more about it, you can go to manage palette, and there if you look at, I already have this Sia node. So just to test what we have, what I can do is I can just pull the Sia node which I have it here, and you can configure different your Sia servers here. So if you open in configuration, I have already configured my local server, but you can just go to edit and you can add your URL. You can give your wallet password as well as your API password. I'm not going to go in deep because everybody knows how to get their API password. And I can give this one, and there are different actions. So for example, I want to check my for example version of my daemon. So I just select that and I take my debug here, and if you connect this one, so basically what happens here is if you run this one, you get the command here. So this is exactly same command what you have it in your documentation. So if I want get my version, if you go here, this is exactly what it's going to generate. Okay, so now you will be thinking, okay, that is what it is, but how I can get the response now? So for response, what you need is they have something called execution node. So you put this execution node, inject that command, and then get the output here. So once I deploy this one, let's execute, and you get the response here, right? So what we need to do now is to convert that into, if you want to convert that into JSON, so you just need the JSON parser and you just put this here. So you take your data through that, you deploy, and there is your JSON response. It's so easy. Now if you want to get your wallet details, you just select your wallet here, in the drop down and you just execute. You get your all wallet details. Okay, so it's that simple. I'm going to support lot of APIs, but this is how I got started with. But cool part is about Node-RED. I'll show you. I have created my own Sia dashboard, so I can literally see what is happening with my daemon. So are you guys ready for that? So let's do that. So here is this dashboard icon. If I go and I click on open my dashboard, you see my Sia dashboard. And if you look at here, my wallet is right now locked. This is the version it's running on, and I get the build time. I want to see if there are any alerts. I click on this, there are no alerts. I click on this, I get the consensus. If I want to look at the settings, I click on this. These are the settings. I want to know more about my wallet details. I click on this and I see what is my, and here it says unlocked is false. And you can actually lock and unlock your. So now I want to unlock my wallet. See, you see this lock toggle is changing when I do that. Now let me get wallet detail. Now my wallet is unlocked. I will lock this. It's locked. If I get wallet detail, is that simple. So, and you as a user, you can define what can be accessible in the public, what cannot be. So you have all control over your Sia daemon. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you the REST endpoints. So I'll open my Postman here, and I already created the endpoints. So same thing, right? I want to get my version. I'll just do, I have created these endpoints. I get as a JSON response. If you want to configure this with your any other application, you can do that. If you want to know about the alerts, you make a request, you get the list. Consensus, same thing. You get the entire response. If you want to look at the settings, you get the settings. Let's look at my wallet. If I click on this, I get my all wallet details. So right now it's locked. Let me unlock. You just do the post call for unlocking your wallet. Now it's unlocked. Now if I go here and see, it's unlocked. Now let me lock my wallet. Let me lock here. There you go. And if I do request, now it's locked. So yeah, basically this is how you can build. I have whole flow for that who really want to get started from here. I have already created my dashboard flow is here. I'm going to share this flow. I'll put the link in the description. This is my project. I hope this will help a lot of developers to quick start their project and not to worry about Sia APIs. If you want to create into REST endpoint, just download this node and give me your feedback, so I'll keep improving this node so that the developer community can really focus on the core building product than just spending a lot of time in creating APIs. So thank you so much for giving me opportunity to share my project with you. I'm so thankful for all the Sia members and the Sia community as well as team members for putting this hackathon together, and expecting more to come so that we can add a lot of value to the community. Thank you. Bye.